spare time on this channel. Drop a like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you enjoy our content. Catch you next time. Pink towel.
What are you making them eat?
Lamb stew. You know what we're making? Oh. We're making lamb stew. But just making a nice little wind deflector for the fire. Getting my
You're a chief teepee maker.
I'm a teepee maker. Is that because I'm an Indian? Try to say I'm Red Indian, bro. 50-50. It depends who you're talking to.
Do you have any tips, Blake?
What?
Making the
teepee.
Well, there's different ways of making a fire. And it really depends on the situation.
So what about right now?
So, when I'm working fire, so I'm just going to make a nice teepee.
Did you bring your hammer? Yeah, I've seen that.
We'll get some tinder in under there, and then we'll light her up, and away she goes. And then move it over to a cooking circle. Put some ash there, and get the stew going.
Your cooking circle. That's your cooking circle.
How smooth is the fridge slide, Olivia? Test it. Test the fridge slide.
Did you play bowling last night?
After.
Oh, hello.
You can do it now.
What are we doing, Balaki? Oh, you look sexy in that sunlight.
It's golden hour.
You are majestic, mate. What are you doing?
Is that a drone?
Is your fridge cold enough?
Do you hear it?
Yes.
How do I zoom in?
I just want to know.
How do I zoom in?
No.
Zoomy, zoomy, zoom.
Tomatoes
How do I
on for
zoom?
tonight. Or our
Sorry, tomorrow's no. All that is for tomorrow.
Oi, how do you zoom?
Here. So you see that? But the video gets big.
Oh. Over here we see a monkey in a fire pit doing stuff.
Yeah, mine's on the
Anyone
roof.
wants to take a dump and use Donald Trump's face to wipe their ass? Ask me.
Came prepared. Build the wall. Catch you, asshole. Oh yeah. Let me just do this. Yeah. Does he have a fire? Oh, yeah. I take this back. Ready?
$10 surprise.
Got this for $10.
Is that a Barbie plate? Where did you get that from?
My dad got it from the swap market from some old guy.
Fuck yeah.
$10.
Brand new.
Brand new. He paid $180 for it.
Won't complain with that.
That's a ripper. That is good. Bargain.
We'll be right back.
Alright, you've seen that set up. Now let's go see the cooking. So, got the fire going. Yeah, beauty. Jackson's all done. Ben and Ashlyn have built their castle, the castle. We were gonna use that, but not anymore. Blake and Liv gonna start food prepping while I set up, so I can actually, you know, sleep tonight.
Hey guys, welcome back. CFL Adventures here. Tonight on the menu we've got lamb stew on the fire over here. So we're just getting that prepared. We're gonna seal up the meat and then we'll put the rest of the veggies in. Catch you later.
It's gonna be beautiful. Oh, so we'll get the VB in.
I think we actually did it off.
Yeah, we did last time. Do you want to put 2 cans? No. Now? What?
If you want to.
I actually thought you were asphalt.
I have your jumper.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you for letting me have it.
You're very welcome. I actually forgot I owned this jumper, not gonna lie. Jackson.
Tired now. I need sleep.
Alright, someone put some coals around for me, mate.
Blake, your call is ready.
Oh, I went right into the bed.
You should stand on the other side and it won't blow into you.
I'm fine with that.
Wow.
One float to share. Yay! Who's after that?
You want some on top?
So much for having a neat fire.
Having a what?
Neat fire.
It was neat.
We'll have a neat one. In the end.
Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
Now you gotta get it.
Mate, we're out of wood already. Luckily there's a tree.
Nah, all gone.
That's a sandwich from yesterday? 3 days ago.
Sabo.
Midday this morning. That's a good one.
It's all the MDMA you did, mate.
How you feeling, mate?
I'm tired.
Not sure.
Very tired.
Sick new mentor I got.
I like it.
It does policing as well.
It does policing. Oof.
Is it better than
Oof.
the cool bed?
Look at that. Fancy.
Hey?
I am the police.
I am the captain now.
Yeah, I agree.
I'm gonna go have a rage.
The sheriff is here.
Set up some light so you know we can actually see.
Oh, his strap was in the way. What did you do?
Nothing.
Don't cut your finger off.
No.
Good one.
That's what happened.
You gotta pick it up. Can't waste it.
I won't waste that.
What is cooking well. It's cooking well. What'd you say, Mr. Assignment?
I got the horses in the back. You know song?
Okay. How are you going, Liv?
I'm good.
Enjoying it?
Yep.
Good setup?
Like having a fire again.
Yeah. How are you going, Ashlyn?
Good. How are you going, Hamid?
I'm going good. Yeah, nice and warm. How are you going, Mr. Hangover? Oh, you can't see you. You're a black.
I'm going.
All this.
That's all.
There we go. We can see you now. You can see the ginger.
Leave the ginger
He's
alone.
like a vampire.
Ginger's tired.
Ben's back. How you going?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, good man. How's the cam going?
It's going alright.
Yeah,
It's
loving
nice.
it.
Pretty nice night, yeah. A little
There's
bit
no
of breeze
wind.
around. Not too much. It's happy days.
Yeah. That food is going to be solid. I reckon about 8 o'clock. Oh, there we go. There's the hug.
Yummo.
She's got a South African black child thing to him.
Wow. She's got a black South
Oh yeah, Ben's a girl now. So, it's serving time.
Oh,
Rice is getting dished out.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Alright.
Ripe up? Is it?
Yo, stop swearing on my vlog.
Talking about pop.
Who's next? No, he said the S word.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah, there's too much swearing in the
That's
last
because we
video.
call it ugali. So what you
Trying to cut
the
that
white,
down.
the white
Who's next, Rice?
The white flour. Put in water.
Rice.
Here. Everyone's everywhere. So we call it ugali.
More?
It's the maize flour.
You're fucking big
We
son.
added to water. Yeah. That's what I told him because we added more water. That's what it's become pretty much.
Thanks, mate. Happy days.
I didn't know you're South African.
Yeah, good.
I
How could you not tell?
Get your spoon in there.
What?
It was dry pop. It wasn't good pop.
Okay.
This is for
I give him
Jackson.
that.
Did you have a bug in your rice?
No one had a bug in
Okay,
there.
no one
Jackson.
did. Yeah. Quality control was
Oh,
here.
Jackson!
I've got Jackson's, it's good.
Oh. It's literally pop, isn't it?
Where's Blake's?
Rice is just enough, man. It's good. Bollywood brand.
Okay, we're lining up for the
Cheers, lad. They turned out nice, your rice, to be honest.
Nah.
Well, how did you want them? Cool, like
Like
separate?
like fluffy.
Chal, next time. Next time measure. Measure and you'll get them like that. Come on.
There's no more rice. Anyone want
Let me wipe it
more?
off, man.
Last bit of rice. Anyone want more?
We'll make some more if we have to.
You
put some for yourself,
I'll go show you the stew after.
Half a scoop.
soupy.
Meaty?
Yeah.
Should you want like a whole shank?
Sure. No, you don't do that.
No?
Leave some meat.
Thank
Yeah, so
you.
you guys
Give us some broth.
Who's next? Ashlyn. Ashlyn, please.
That's turned out good, eh?
Some meat.
Shotgun bone. Shotgun bone.
Yeah, go on.
Scared to get it.
Trying to get you some meat. Eh?
Who's shotgunning? There's 3 bones, 4 bones.
That's why
I'll
I
get-
asked. Have you guys put the meat in? That's good, thank you.
You want a bone?
I think all the lads.
Bone from you?
Come closer, lad.
Movement.
How's it, Liv? Yuck, sounds so sad.
How's it, my bro? Gonna shank?
How's it?
Yeah. Who shotgun one?
How's it, Tyra?
How's your...
Potato good,
how's
no?
your...
Fuck yeah. Could I just get juice? as
Yeah,
well?
I'll give you.
Are you keen for this?
I'm very keen for this.
I actually reckon I will
yes,
like...
juice.
The juice is
How's
the
your
best
roast
bit.
beef?
Oh, well, I.
Jesus,
More
yeah.
juice? Rice?
Yeah, look, more juice.
Roast beef.
Just juice, yeah.
Ugh.
Rice? Give you some of my
I
juice
reckon
later.
as soon as I start talking to people, Blake,
JV, I'll find it for you.
It's the end of the night. We're all pretty full. That stew was amazing. Blake, how did you find the stew?
Well,
Turn your
they
torch
rated
off.
it about
Turn your torch off.
a 9 out of 10. I reckon it was about an 8. Pretty good. Meat was nice and tender. VB in there. Oof.
That did it for him.
Seasoned to perfection.
How did you find the stew, Mr. Antisocial Guy on his phone?
Yeah, it could have been better. Just a few more green chilies next time. No, it's good.
I got heartburn, no chilies.
you still got heartburn.
Lily, how did you find the stew?
I thought it was really good. It was
After.
yummy.
How did you find the stew, Olivia?
Top notch.
Top notch. Fire's still going good. Look at that. Loving it.
What did you just put in?
Oh, question. Oh no, VBs don't have questions.
No, they just have a quote.
Just the time to knock off.
Yeah. Alright, let's go get Ben. Ben is in here. This is Blake's rooftop tent. Ben is in here. He's knocked out in Blake's rooftop tent. Hey, son, come on. You alive? Let's just go with a yes. He'll be alright. Well, I think that's a good night from day 2. We'll pick you up tomorrow. Tomorrow we don't know what we're doing. Just gonna go with the flow, yo. Look at that. There's a leftovers. Perfect.
Okay, I'm gonna need the spoon.
Gonna help him. Good night.
Well, that's a good way of
Thank you.